Here, I want to show you what mallow looks like. Mallow is a wonderful weed, and weeds really are not the enemy. It's actually the chemicals that's designed to kill the weeds that is really the enemy. So I want to let you know the value of some of these things that that we seek to destroy and pull out of our lovely, beautiful, pristine gardens. You know, we take the weeds out and we try to grow things like kale and eggplant and different things of that nature. But we forget that we have things that are growing up in the ground that don't even need any kind of TLC. They just grow up, and this is what you call invasive species, because they will take over if you allow them to. That's the value. That's the real strength of a weed. It's very strong. Thing about weeds are they're very strong. They're very high in nutritional components, and they are invasive. So they will run over your garden if you're not careful to maintain them. Best way to maintain weeds are to find out how to prepare them and eat them. So this one is called mallow. Mallow is growing up in the compost pile. This mallow is growing up in the compost pile. Okay, and you can tell that it's mallow because of the shape of the leaf, and also other little telltale signs is the flower that comes off of a mallow. So you have all these different type of little identifiers that can tell or help you to identify these different types of weeds. Mallow used to be used as an ingredient for marshmallow, and that's when they were healthy. Now they make marshmallows out of sugar and some other kind of stuff that's really not healthy for you, and you get obese and really your system is disrupted. But the thing about mallow is it's high in nutrition, it's high in nutritional components like vitamins and minerals that our body is starving for. So if you want a nice healthy alternative, use some mallow in your salad. But understand that you have to identify your weeds. You have to identify them to the T before you eat them, because some are copycats and they can be poisonous. They can be disruptive to the system. So use your cell phones, go Google it, do what you need to do, and be sure to wait to pull that weed, because that weed might help you with something that you're deficient in your body. Weeds are beautiful, you know, they have these beautiful wild flowers, you know, that come and pop up all of a sudden. You have something absolutely beautiful, you know. And here's more mallow down here that's growing. More mallow all over the place growing, you know. And then our basil is suffering, our cucumbers are suffering, you know. Some things just can't take all of this heat. But the one thing that can take the heat, the one thing that can take a drought, the one thing that can take a flood, the one thing that you would not even suspect that is the best thing for you to learn about, to enjoy, to discover, to research, are the weeds. The weeds are a wonderful part of the herb kingdom that we have yet to really embrace. So I'll be teaching more about the mallow, and can't wait to show you more. Until the next time, we will discover the health benefits of another wonderful weed called purslane. So stay tuned for that one. Enjoy. Shalom.